me, Nate. I'm unboxing something else today after nothing. So this is a VR headset that I got just now at Big Lots because I felt like it. And I'm gonna unbox it now. So I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna take these stickies off. I'm gonna use my keys to remove the stickies. Ah, shit. Watch this. Casey is my camera woman, and she's getting all the good angles.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. Oh boy.
Do you need a knife?
No, I'm good.
I think I have my pocket knife.
Oh, I'm good. Okay. Sorry for yelling. Everybody? Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Okay, we're in. Alright, I'm in. Hacker voice. And look at this. It's all packaged neatly and nicely in this cute little bagaroni. This little bagaroni. Here we go. Taking it out of the bag. Into my heart. Put it on. I can't see anything because there's nothing in it. Now I'm gonna open the user guide. I don't give a shit. Okay, put the phone in and use it. Gotcha.
Got him.
Well, the thing is, I'm recording this. Casey's recording this on my phone. So, I can't really test it in front of you guys, because you gotta see it to believe it. So, I'll be back with another video of me actually using this thing, but that will be on a different phone. So, thanks for tuning in, and tune in again next time, guys. Alright, cut.